My name is Noluthando Mtembu. Mtembu without an H. And then I'm from Kwatinta School for the Deaf in KZN. Okay, I became aware that SASSA helps me a lot when I had to pay school fees in January and my mom couldn't afford and I needed to travel from home to school. So that's when I saw how much this money helps. They gave me social grant, and that is the money that I used to pay school fees. I would like to say thank you very much for helping me with the gifts that you gave me and the support that I got through SASSA for me to be a top student. If it wasn't for it, I wouldn't be a top student. And also for the first time I got into a flight to come to receive my award here.